What was your favorite toy in childhood?
In my childhood, I like Power Ranger action figure.
Well, to be honest, I was a spoiled kid. My parents used to pamper me with all kinds of toys, but my favorite was this Power Rangers action figure. I am a big fan of the franchise, so when I got the toy, I was ecstatic. I still have it in my living room actually. Should parents buy many toys for their children?
I don't think so.
Personally, I don't think it is a good idea. I mean, if parents indulge their children and just buy whatever toy they like, the kids are likely to develop a habit of pestering their parents for things, and that's definitely not a good thing. What are the benefits of children playing toys?
I think it have a lot of benefits.
People often think of toys as being detrimental to kids, but I think they can benefit children's development in some ways. Educational toys like building blocks can actually boost the cognitive development of small kids. For example, my brother used to play with Lego a lot when he was small, and he's a very creative person. What are the disadvantages of playing toys?
I think it's time consuming.
Toys can be time consuming. I mean, children often lose track of time when they play with toys, and as a result, they may not have enough time for study.